Your Amazon FBA returns aren't just a cost, they're a treasure trove of data. So stop treating them like returns and just bad things. They are good things. They have data. And Amazon did release the returns and recovery dashboard. Now, they silently released this. I don't know why it wasn't announced so big, but you can see right here, here's the information about it, right? And they have a lot of text, but who cares about the text? We want to see what it actually looks like. And this is it. All the sellers have access to it. It's a weird link, Amazon, sellercentral.com /RR dash central, and then / return insights. So you can see return insights, the last 90 days, United States, products, Amazon fulfilled, search. You even go to, let's see if you can kind of switch it up. All products, drugstore, luggage, a lot of different specifications here. It looks like they are definitely working on this. In the last 90 days, 3 total returns. I'll take it. We can also view the trends, customer initiated return rate. Well, I hope so. Critical review rate, the percentage of customer reviews of a return product that are 1, 2, or 3-star reviews. Makes sense. Customers who return the product probably aren't the happiest. Return fees and customer refunds issued. So these are actually their refunds that they received once the returns were hopefully processed, which we can look at in another video. But here we go, the top product, customer initiated return rate. Do we have a return badge? A return badge is not good. A return badge just shows the customers that this is a frequently returned item. And 3 within 90 days, I would hope the hell they don't. Return fees, and then customer return reasons. So these aren't the fees that they're charging you right now. These are the potential fees that they could be charging you. And then just some suggestions. So I do like this dashboard. It kind of shows you a little bit of everything. Not only that, it's got some recovery on here, recovery tab. US marketplace only. So this is definitely in beta. I don't know exactly what they're supposed to show, but it's looking pretty good. I would love to see that. And a resource center. This is most likely for training. FBA customers return page, FBA returns report. So it's kind of like give you access to all of the important reports that you may need when you're selling on Amazon, or your inventory team needs when they're selling on Amazon. So that's really good. In settings, enroll into product support. That's a powerful one. That is super powerful. If you don't know what that is, you should probably check out the tool just to learn that. FBA partial refunds, return item evaluation setting. A lot of good stuff. Wait, I didn't know they had this. Hold on. Oh, okay. No, it's automatically on where they return it. Yeah. So I thought there was something specific like now that you can kind of like put notes in, but you can't really automate it. But it is great to see that Amazon is expanding. And the biggest thing, what's the pros of this, right? It's going to be comprehensive return learnings. So if you see a pattern on people returning the same item, you're going to learn, okay, why are people returning this? How can we make the product better? So that's going to be the first one, is actually understanding why people are returning it, if there's a consistent amount. Product level return analysis, understand product level issues. That's if you have multiple variations. Historical trends, you can check weekly and monthly performance to identify trends over time. You can kind of go back here to see different trends. Yeah, it's like view trends. And we can see the big spike during the holiday season. We've got a couple, probably 3 returns in the last 90 days. That's tough. And then we've got actionable recommendations. So things that you can take over right now. FBA recovery metrics, get insights into a customer returned inventory. So this is all within that tool. This is what this tool is supposed to deliver. It is not fully delivering it yet, but it has a lot of potential. I'm surprised whoever set this up really knows what they're doing, because they did a beautiful job setting this all up on Amazon. They kind of the storefront, the back front, all of it. So definitely check it out if you haven't. And if you did need help with anything inventory, Amazon Seller Central, you can just contact us right in the description below. We are Amazon experts and happy to help you with anything Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.